Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by registering and validating documents because that unlocks orders. Download the Zomato delivery app, sign up, and upload ID, license, and vehicle papers. This verifies you for payouts and insurance. While waiting for approval, buy an insulated bag and charge a power bank so you never miss navigation. Once approved, log into the app, complete profile details, and accept your first shift or area. Starting properly reduces cancellations and increases your chance of steady earnings. You now handle orders with a focus on time and customer experience. Accept jobs where distance and restaurant wait time make sense. This preserves fuel and improves hourly earnings. Use the app map and reliable navigation. Have a backup offline route or map if signal drops. When picking up, confirm items and bag them to avoid spills. Place hot and cold items separately. Communicate clearly with customers about arrival time and update status in the app so expectations stay aligned. You finalize each trip by ensuring delivery and correct payment to protect your rating and income. Confirm the customer, take required photo or OTP, and mark order delivered. This triggers payment settlement. Tally cash or tip entries before ending your shift so your earnings report matches. If something goes wrong, wrong item, missing payment, or app crash, first communicate with customer, then restart the app and switch network. If unresolved, escalate to Zomato support with the order ID to secure resolution and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.